This has been a very long journey. Spaceflight is not something that has happened overnight, and I just think it's an amazing opportunity to inspire these next generations of engineers and astronauts and scientists.
In 2026, Dr. Norah Patten will become the first Irish person in space.
As a teenager, I said to my parents, if you don't take me to NASA, I'm going to get the bus and go on my own. So I just loved space. Thankfully, my dad did take me. And for me, it was standing under that Saturn V rocket in the visitor complex. Just the sheer scale and feat of engineering, creativity, innovation that went into designing the rocket and sending people to the moon. I wrote a letter to NASA as a teenager. They wrote back. They sent me a Careers in Space booklet. And then I used that as kind of my map. I studied that cover to cover, and then I decided on aeronautical engineering. So our spaceflight is anticipated to take place within the first 12 months of commercial operation of Delta. That's Virgin Galactic's next generation spacecraft, and that's due to come online in 2026.
As early as the end of next year. So this time next year, we could be in
Possibly.
space.